Welcome to Euron, everyone, and welcome to a new series launch. So again, I'm here with a new series launch. So back to back on this Euron OTT platform for upskilling and learning. So I'm trying to bring as many series as possible so that it should be able to fulfill all your learning need. You are not supposed to go anywhere in any circumstances. So now let me share my screen and let's talk about this one, guys. So big data with a Databricks. Databricks is playing a vital role nowadays in a market inside a big data industry, and everyone is trying to use it. Everyone, almost like all this big Fortune 500 companies, are trying to use a Databricks. And yeah, so Databricks is also expanding its services. They are trying to bring new things inside their ecosystem, and many big data professionals or many who would like to get into a big data, so they are even learning a Databricks now. It's not tough at all. It's just like you have to go through this entire system once. You just have to work. You have to spend some time with a Databricks, with a Databricks for some time. So keeping that in mind, this entire course has been designed. So this course is going to happen in an English language. I'm going to start this course from 20th of June. So I think we all are aware about what you will get. This is a very generic one, and in all the courses, our templates are going to be same. So we are not changing anything with respect to any of the courses that we are trying to offer. Now here, so every Monday we are going to release basically every Monday we are going to release one module. So there are 11 module, 11 sections. So in a 11 week we are going to complete it tentatively. Now just go and check the syllabus, guys. Believe me, you will be amazed and you are going to love it. Literally, you are going to love this entire syllabus, the way it has been designed, the way it has been curated. So everything, whatever is required for you to learn a big data with a Databricks, I'm mentioning each and everything. I'm talking about all the connectors. I'm talking about all the architecture. I'm going to talk about each and everything, along with last but not the least, a project which I'm going to show you in a real time. So just go check out the syllabus. If you have any kind of feedback, do let me know about your feedback in a comment section, or maybe in your personal WhatsApp group. You can let me know about your comments, and I'm here to entertain. I'm here to resolve your conflict, or maybe whatever doubt, or maybe whatever suggestion, feedback that you have. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next video.